Hey, buenos dias, amigas, amigos. Malecón Manny here. Thanks for tuning my channel. Important day today. So, since coming down to Mexico, there was 4 things I really want to get accomplished before the year's end. And that was, first of all, completing our permanent residency. Done. Getting my senior's card. Yeah, I'm a senior, 60 years old. Completed. Just yesterday. Completed. Opening up a bank account, a Mexican bank account. Done. Today, we are going for my Mexican driver's license. Yes, a Mexican driver's license. I have a license already from Canada, so I'm going to use that with my residency card, utility bill, and what else do I need? A blood test. I need a bloody blood test. So that's what I'm going to do first. Going to go to see a medical laboratory place in La Paz. I'll film that, showcase it for you, and get that first, and they will give me a report. I take that to the driver's license, bring in all my documents that I have with me, my passport, yeah, I need that too, driver's license, that blood report, residency card, all copies of that, and I do believe your birth certificate, so I have a copy of that too. So follow me today, let's see what happens, see if I can get this all completed before the year's end. Hey guys, okay, so I'm downtown. So the clinic I'm going to, I believe it's called Sadat Laboratories. So well, let's start walking now. So it's near, there's a hospital nearby, and let me just refocus here a bit. Okay, there is a hospital nearby. Actually, it's right across the road from it. So they you know what, they have really good hours. Today's Saturday, and they're open every day at 6 in the morning till like 9 o'clock at night or something like that. So I'm gonna head there now. I tried to park a little closer, but when you get to the hospital, everything is just locked right up. So it's a bit of a walk, not too bad, but yeah, let's keep going here. Okay, so we're coming up to it right now. Laboratories Sadat. So yeah, it looks like they were supposed to finish up some work up on top, and they haven't done it yet. And there's the hospital, and here's the crossroads. Heroes de Independencia, and I can't even say that first top one. Calle, yeah. Anyways, okay, let's go in.
I know you know. It's really good to see grandma speaking. Yeah. Especially when all.
Okay guys, in the clinic now, and getting my blood work done. Petit. Gracias. Hey guys, so I just got out of the medical clinic, and it took about an hour basically once you've registered in. Gave them my permanent residency card. They punched it in, had all my credentials there, and yeah, it cost 60 pesos to do the blood type. So it's all done, got it right here. Yeah, so it gives you your blood type and your RH factor, so it's all ready to go. You know, for the driver's license, unfortunately it's Saturday, so all the government offices are closed, so we'll recap this on Monday and carry on with there. I got other things to do today, so I'll knock those off, and we'll continue Monday, give you an update. Buenos dias, amigas, amigos. Malecón Manny here. Happy New Year. It is January the 3rd, 2024 today. I'm just getting a shade here. I'm hoping, I'm using my GoPro right now. I'm hoping the volume is going to be good here for this video. So this is the second part of obtaining my Mexican driver's license. Okay, so I came by yesterday to this building, Secretaria de Finanzas y Administración. Hopefully I said that right. I don't think I did, but I apologize. I came down here yesterday. I had my license, my Canadian driver's license, passport, my permanente residency card. I even had a utility bill from the tenant, or actually the owner that I'm staying at. And what else did I got? Oh, my my blood test report, and I had copies of all that stuff, right? So I came down here, and just before you go into to see the wicket there, this administration person, there's a kind of a guard kind of deal. They go through all the paperwork first, and they said everything was good except utility bill. It wasn't in my name. Okay, even though it was the address was on it, the address is on my residency card, but that wasn't sufficient enough. So they told me that I had to bring in a letter from the owner stating that I'm allowed to use the utility bill as. Yeah, so last night the owner typed me up a letter and sent it to me via email. This morning went down to the copy shop, and not the coffee shop, the copier shop, and I got the letter from the tenant printed off. So I'm all ready to go, but that letter is in English, so I'm gonna attempt going in today to see if they'll allow it, because it's basically all Mexican people in there, and I'm not too sure if they'll be able to accept it or not. So let's give it a go, and if it's all good, I'll tell you the result afterwards. I'll try and do some videotaping inside, but we'll see. It's a government office, so I'll try and be discreet, just kind of show you you know, just the entrance and the waiting room and possibly the whole process. We'll see. Hey guys, well, you won't believe it. They gave Malecón a driver's license. So it was all good. That one letter that that my landlord wrote for me, they hemmed and hummed about it a little bit. You know, they almost wanted, because there's, you know, her signature's on it, and they almost wanted a picture of her license or her immigration card, right? So I was amidst of calling her and seeing if she could send it via a WhatsApp or whatever, but at least the commissioner that was dealing with me, he pretty much went in the back room, he talked to a few people, came back out, and he says, no problem, you're good. So, and then plus I even showed him my my INAPAM card, my seniors discount card, right? So on the back of it has my address where I'm staying. So I showed it to him and he said, oh yeah, you're golden, right? So got a Mexican driver's license. So yeah, it's fantastic. I mean, since I got here around the end of November, I was able to get my permanent residency completed. Got my INAPAM card done, opened up a bank account, and now got the driver's license. So got a lot done here within a month and a bit. So it's been a great time, and the weather is fantastic here. I mean, come on now, this is perfect. So yeah, if you want to get a Mexican driver's license, it's possible. So other than that, have a great day and hasta luego. Oh yeah, I forgot one thing. You know, once you go through all the paperwork with the commissionaire there, I left his desk. I went to another lineup where they check to see if you have any driving infractions. So they scan your immigration card, and if that's all clear, then you're golden. And then you have to go stand in line to pay. That took a bit of time, maybe about half an hour. Paid cash there, or you can pay by a debit card or credit card. And then I went back after that was done. After I paid, I went back to the original commissionaire, waited for about 10 minutes by his desk, and then he handed me my my driver's license. So it took a while down here today, but that's a bit of the process, and it's a learning curve for me here too. So it's good for 3 years, and yeah, that's about it. So all good.